Want to grow your business or accelerate the growth of your business on LinkedIn? Well, if you haven't checked out the first 2 videos with step 1 and step 2, go and do that. But today is step 3 and the third E in our Expert in You LinkedIn formula. This is all around helping you expand your network. You can't just put up your profile and think that people will just come to you. Well, people will come to you, but not the people that you want. So you want to expand your network by creating a highly targeted list of the people that you want to bring into your ecosystem. And then you want to go and connect with them. Reach out to them with the right message so that they will say yes and want to connect with you. When you have the first 2 steps done in the right way, people will happily connect with you. In fact, my clients get a 60 to 70, sometimes even an 80% connection rate when they go out and ask people to connect. That's high. Most people get a 20 to a 30%, if that. But the right strategies in place can make all the difference. But you have got to do some outbound work to get inbound results. Now, LinkedIn allows you to connect with 100 people a week that are not in your current network. So you have the opportunity to reach out to 100 people a week and invite them to connect. Use that opportunity because guess what? That's more eyeballs on you and your business. So do the work, expand your network, bring the right people into your ecosystem, and this will set you up for success. And I'll talk about how to do that tomorrow. If you need help building your business or growing your business on LinkedIn, reach out to me at acarden.com and let's have a conversation about how I can help you and we can work together to make that happen. You have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.